Hey all, so I'm here with a super quick video. My bestest friend in the world, April from Crafty Fox 251, got me a resin curing machine for Christmas. And I haven't got a lot of room in my shed, so it took me a while to find some room to fit it in. It's a complete game changer as it gives me a little bit more workspace. So you can see here I'm quickly testing it out, filming with one hand. So they are on the tray, ready to go. It's all plugged in. So we just put the lid on and I set it for, you can go for 1 to 12 hours and it goes from 40 to 70 degrees. So I set it for 1 hour at 45 degrees. And you can see here, that's the time. So it's all turned off. And let's have a look after 1 hour. Now if these were on my mat, they'd still be squishy, but you can see there I can tap that. I can pick it up. I can squish it and it's completely dry. So it's time to unmold. I mean, I did come back an hour later. I did think I showed the clock in the video, but obviously I didn't. So you can see here I'm just quickly unmolding them. And they come out lovely. Still tiny bit bendy, so they could have possibly done with a little bit longer. The same temperature, just 2 hours, which is the recommended time. But as this was my first test, I just wanted to do an hour and see. So you can see there that one bent. But I got it back into shape and then they're ready to be made into Valentine's shaker keyrings, which will be available on my website from tomorrow. So a big thank you to April. So yeah, look, you can see the time. Yeah, a big thank you to April. I absolutely love it and you're the bestest friend in the world. And I hope you like this video. And yeah, till next time.